Welcome to the Lollipop Song.
Max and Lily laughed with glee. Let's bake a cake, said happily. In their toy kitchen bright today, they plan to bake and learn through play.
Chef hats on and aprons too, so many baking things to do. They wash their hands both nice and clean, the happiest bakers ever seen.
First they found a recipe card. Following steps is not too hard. They read each line from start to end. The recipe would be their friend. We need flour, milk and eggs, said Max while tapping little eggs. And sugar too, said Lily bright. Let's do every step just right. Flour, sugar, baking powder, butter soft and milk much colder. Eggs were waiting in a tray, ready for baking fun today.
They placed everything in a row, checking all before they go.
Nothing missing, all prepared, every ingredient carefully shared.
1 cup flour in the bowl, making cake was now the goal. Sugar followed, sweet and white,
Measured carefully, just right. Baking powder came in next, just as written in the text. Every scoop was level and neat, helping make the perfect treat.
crack the eggs into a bowl, checking them was part of the goal. Then came milk and butter soft,
Making baking spirits aloft. Whisk, 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 round and round, making a gentle swishing sound. Everything mixed smooth and bright, looking absolutely right.
now the wet ingredients came, joining in the baking game. Slowly mix but not too much, use a gentle baker's touch.
Mix until the batter's smooth, watch the creamy mixture move. Not too little, not too long, that is how to do it strong.
Before the cake could bake away, the oven had to warm today. Max turned on the pretend heat, getting ready for the treat. Grease the pan from side to side, spread it evenly and wide. Parchment paper lined the base, helping cake come out with grace.
Into the oven went the pan, right according to the plan. Close the door and let it bake, soon they'd have a yummy cake. Tick-tock went the time around, waiting made no single sound. Then a sweet smell filled the air, cake time magic everywhere. Ding, 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 the timer sang, through the kitchen happily rang. Max took a toothpick, neat and small, to test the center after all.
In it went and out it came, clean and dry the baking aim.
Hooray! Lily cheered with delight. Our cake is baked just right. Carefully they took it out, then danced around and gave a shout. Out the pan the cake did slide, cooling rack was waiting nearby. Rather in a mixing bowl, making frosting was the goal. Powdered sugar joined the fun, mixing till the job was done.
Whisk and beat till fluffy white, soft and creamy, smooth and light. Swirls of frosting looked so sweet, perfect for their special treat.
Spread the frosting all around, top and sides were nicely crowned. Lily smoothed each little part, decorating with her heart.
Round and round the spatula went, every moment nicely spent. Soon the cake looked grand and bright, such a beautiful sight. Teddy bear and also sweet, gathered for a special treat. Maturity party for everyone, a baking adventure is done. Tiny teacups filled the table, every toy as happy as able. Pretend tea was poured around, giggles made the sweet